It's your boy Scarface. Welcome to my YouTube channel, yeah. Week 5 review. Hold on. We discussed so many fascinating stuff. We interacted with the Ethereum mainnet. We forked the mainnet in our local machine, like we brought it live in our local machine, and we're interacting with it, like we interacted with Uniswap. We also discussed about the ERC-20 tokens and ERC-721 tokens. Don't stress yourself, it's not hard. ERC-20 tokens are just the fungible tokens, such as Ether, those some sets of cryptocurrencies that you see. All those ones are ERC-20 tokens. Why ERC-721 tokens are the non-fungible tokens, such as NFTs. That's all. Do you understand? Don't stress yourself at all. So we're able to write. We're like able to build some tokens, interacted with it, like we use these tokens for that things and the rest. Then we also build some ERC-721 tokens, that's NFTs. I built about 6 NFTs or so within last week, and in this video, yeah, I'm going to show you guys how to build an ERC-721 token in your machine. We will deploy it, then we will now mint this token on OpenSea. Like you will see it live on OpenSea. Understand? We'll put the price there, the characteristics there as well, and everything. So guys, just stay tuned. Now let's go in depth about ERC-20 tokens and the rest. Now, what are ERC-20 tokens and all that? Now, ERC-20 is the standard for fungible tokens on the Ethereum blockchain. Now, these tokens can be traded ahead and transferred, just like the traditional currencies and the rest. You have been examples of ERC-20 tokens. You have the Uni, you have the DAI, you have the Ether, the currency for the Ethereum blockchain. Now, also, what's an ERC-721 token now? ERC-721 tokens, they are just non-fungible tokens. Now, these tokens, that means that they are unique and they can't be like replicated. Do you understand? For example, now if I thought you have one NFT, there's no other person in this world that's having that particular NFT. Do you understand? Like, it's just one. That's why it's unique. Like, it shows ownership on the red. Understand? So now, NFTs like represent digital assets such as art, music, real estate and the rest. Like they can be both sold and traded like physical and like assets and the rest. So the most interesting stuff about this whole thing is that it's my experience about deploying and minting my NFT. It was actually like a very fascinating experience. Like I really enjoy the tags, how to move from my IPFS to Tor to Pinita and the rest. It was really like a nice one. So it was really nice, and once an NFT is created, you understand? Once an NFT is created, like it can be stored on the blockchain. Now, will not be you will not be using the mainnet for now. Like we'll just use the testnet. But mind you, the testnet works exactly as the mainnet. Do you understand? The testnet works exactly as the mainnet, and testnet basically like they are for developers and the rest. So now, if you want to quickly build your NFT, like you have to take for a little while. Get your machine, I mean, get your laptop ready, then we'll start building. Like we'll build and build and build. Like I will show you guys how to build your NFT in your VS Code, mint it, like verify your smart contract, and again mint it on OpenSea. Like you'll see live. Don't worry. Don't I'll After you are done, you have to buy my NFT. Yeah. You have to buy my NFT. Okay, stick around. So let's quickly move to our VS Code and start coding. Now let's set up our NFT environment, like the our file. So first thing you need in order to set up your project, you need hard hat. Yeah, I can see like they said that hard hat is a development environment for Ethereum software. Like hard hat basically used for scripting, testing, deployment, and some other stuff. You understand? So you quickly click on quick start guide here. Yeah. Now you will by your left hand side set up a project, compiling your contract, because basically what you need is to set up a project, compile, test, deploy, verify, and write script on your contract. So you follow this procedure one by one. You do it like in your terminal. Now next thing, you need to have an account with the testnet OpenSea, and connect your wallet there, and connect your wallet there. And as you can see, this is my testnet here. You grab, these are the NFTs that I've deployed so far. Then another thing you need is your file base. Now file base is not accessible to Nigerians, so what you need is a browser torrent. If you are using Brave automatically comes with that torrent. You will come to your top left, click there, then you add the for this thing new private window with Tor. Make sure it's connected first. Now it's connected. It will connect now. Then you search firebase.com. Once you must have searched for firebase.com, you will have to create a new this thing here. Create a new file, click on login. If you are an old user, just enter your email and password. If you're a new user, you click on sign up here. Now once you must have signed up, they will send you a verification email, a verification link to your email. Yeah. Now that email, please open your email on this torrent. If not, it will not go. That link will not go. All the torrent files, whether link or anything, make sure that I open it on your email. You understand? So now I'll just have to log in peter adako@gmail.com. Yes. Once you must have logged in, you 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 click on bucket here and rest. Like you actually need this stuff too. Yeah. We'll come back to we'll come back to this pretty soon, okay? Now so let's try to instantiate our project file now. Yeah, after that you do npm install save that npm that you send it. This you please I'm using it's your choice to use JavaScript project or TypeScript, but me I'm using TypeScript. Get the root, just press enter, install dependencies and the rest. Get. We have set up our Haddad project now. Then we'll open it in our VS Code using the command line interface of it and VS Code. Yeah, this is our Haddad uh, project. The this is where our contracts are found. This is where our test scripts are found. This is where our deploy script. Now, once once I've installed Haddad, it comes with an automatic smart contract like this. So let's quickly, since this thing is constant in each of our contract files, let's let's write it. Let's say this contract will be called test test nft.so. Yeah, test nft.so. We'll paste it there. Contract, let's see, Scarface, Scarface NFT. Yeah, we have Scarface NFT. After we're done, we'll write our logic there. Inside a script, let's write a file for our script. Let's say car.cs. This script for this guidance here. Another more important thing, you need your .env file. .env file. npm I .env. Yeah, so that it will instantiate our .env file. So I've told you earlier that ERC-721 they are non-fungible. It's a standard. Do you understand? Like it's a standard. Like you don't need to actually stress yourself. So just come to open Zeppelin docs for ERC-721. You will change this stuff to current version of 4. Come down, you click on wizard. Once you must have click on wizard, yeah. Click on ERC-720. Which name do you want to give your token? Let's say Scar NFT. Or should be the symbol SFN. Good. Now, once you must have done there, do you want it mutable? Do you want it bondable? Do you want it enumerable and the rest? Do you understand? So I'll advise you to know all the meaning of these things before you start implementing them. Like learn the stuff very, very well. Then after you're done, you will copy this stuff to clipboard and go and paste it in your test NFT. So yeah, what you must have pasted it here. Please remember to set up your Haddad config as well. Now you just impute. Set up your Haddad config. Please, everything is inside the Haddad documentation. Everything is inside this Haddad documentation. Like and make sure that you read it very, very well, and actually know how to set your stuffs up. Once you have written your smart contract of your NFT, your Scarface NFT, SVN, and the rest, then you will write your script. You write your script, like it's very, very important as well. We are writing our script here. If you want to know how to write about script, please go to the Hadat documentation. Go to the Hadat documentation, look at writing tags and script. It will really, really help you. Like it will really, really help you on how to write script. You understand? It will really help you on how to write script. So let's go and write our script here. Okay, guys. So now, once you have written your script to deploy your smart contract in your script folder here, then you have to run your script. Once you must have run your script, then you will now verify it. Look at the stuff here, like you verify it by npx ada verify network guali, then the address where your contract has been deployed to. Now you will check this. You will check if your NFT smart contract have been verified. You will now quickly check to you will now quickly confirm it on Etherscan. Once you must have confirmed it on Etherscan, this is where this is the home page of Etherscan. I'm sorry, I don't like dark. I don't like light mode. That's why I change it to dark mode. You will click. It should look like this. It should actually look like this. Then you click on contract. Yeah. Then once you must have click on contract now, you now click on write contract here. Once you must have click on write contract, let's allow to load a bit. Now you have to connect your Etherscan to your MetaMask. Now let's try to connect our Etherscan to our MetaMask here. Let's open our MetaMask first, please. Let's hold on a bit. It should open for a while. Yeah, this is my my MetaMask here. Please, like if you are doing this thing, make sure that your network selection here is on Guali network, is on Guali test network. It's very, very important. Please, in such way that you not lose your money, because this is just a test network. You understand? Now let's go back to our Meterscan and connect our wallet. Click on Etherscan. Yes, it has already been connected already. You have to confirm whether this address is whether your account address is the exact account address that you have opened your Metascan. You expand all. Then once you must have expanded it all, now click on save mint. Your MetaMask account address, copy it and paste it on your Etherscan here. Paste it on your Etherscan. Then this URI string here is IPFS colon starting from your Firebase. Now remember, I asked you guys to register on Firebase before, and save the link and log into your Firebase on Brave torrent. Yeah, so let's go there now. This is our Firebase. First and foremost, you create a new bucket. Do you understand? Creating, but let's say this Firebase is Scarface JR12 Cafe JR69. Now it must be a unique name, like lowercase and numbers. It's a must. Lowercase and numbers. Only lowercase won't work, or like only numbers won't work. It must be lowercase and numbers. You now create a bucket here. Once you must have created a bucket, I don't know why it's wasting time here. You create a bucket here. Yeah, you should load a bit. Like I think that is necessary. Sorry, the forget name already has been taken. Sorry, I clicked it twice, and that's why it's like this. But I will look at it already. Then you click on it here. I don't know, maybe network's a bit bad. You will click here. Now you will upload the picture, that's the NFT you want to upload on OpenSea. Understand? By clicking on upload. Is it a file? Yeah. So once you must have uploaded that picture, good. You will now click on the picture. Once you must have click on the picture, you scroll down. Look at this last link here, IPFS gateway URL. Please, that's the link, that's the URL to your IPFS CID. Is very important. Is this link that you paste it inside your metadata here. Mind you, it must be in quotes. Everything should be in quotes. This TypeScript, if not, it will not work. Everything should be in quotes. You paste that link here. Once you must have pasted that link here, mind you, we are inside the metadata.json file. Yeah. Now you will now come back and upload your metadata inside this bucket that you created here by clicking on upload. Click on file, then you select where your metadata is. For example, look at it here, understand? Then you click on open. I've already done that, so I'll not click on it. So now once you must have clicked on open, now your once you must have clicked it to upload. Now your metadata CID, you copy it here and come and paste it inside your Etherscan. Look at it here. Remember, we are trying to mint this NFT to our address, to our account. Then what is the URI? That means you have to paste that metadata there. Do you understand? Click on it, paste it there, then you click on write. That's all. Do you understand? Then once you must have click on write, Now that we have succeeded in minting our NFT tokens, hope you can now build your NFT, deploy and mint it. Don't worry, just it's not hard. You get, like, it's pretty simple. Like, it's not hard. So guys, try to do this, and if you have any issue, yeah, please leave a comment in the comments section. Now, I want to tell you guys about my another experience that I actually had exactly like in this past week. On Friday evening, we wrote an eviction test. Yeah, it lasted for about 5 hours straight. Like, a coding test lasted for about 5 solid hours straight. My head was literally burning, like it was burning. Not that burn, but then inside it was actually burning actually. The questions were okay. Yeah, the questions were okay. We did it. I think it was about 3 questions, although it was having children, guys. Number 1, it was to mint NFTs. Then number 2, it was to, I think the 2 and 3, we had to fork the mainnet to our local machine, then interact with Uniswap. Yeah, interact with Uniswap live in our local machine. My laptop that day was literally freezing, like it was freezing. I had to on it, off it many times, a bit frustrated and the rest. And I finished on time, yeah, but then I don't know their marking scheme though, you understand? So if you guys don't see me again, that means that I've been evicted. It's not easy. God help me, God, such that I'll not be evicted in this thing. I want to finish it up, yeah. I want to be a smart contract developer, yeah. I said, nice, like everybody, we did our best. I mean, and my friends, Kenny, Noso, and Uche, we started with the questions and the rest, and hope that we'll still be here next week to learn more stuffs, and the rest and all that. Yeah, it's actually a nice experience and a crazy one though. 5 hours looked like 30 minutes. It was so fast. In the test, we faced bugs upon bugs, like bugs upon bugs, you get. But at the end of the test, like, we literally did our best, and we are hoping for the best as well. Okay, like, as you can see, man, I'm literally stressed out. Like, I'm stressed out. I'm stressed out actually. Let's hope that everything really works out well. Okay, now see you guys pretty soon. Bye.